Every morning, we are born again. What we do today is what matters the most. With these wise words of Buddha, I wish a very warm morning to all the dignitaries, parents, and friends present here. I, Seerath, with my co-host Sarah, on behalf of the students of Class 8W and our class teacher Mrs. Archana, rolls down a red carpet of welcome for all of you to our annual function.
The topic of our annual function is National Movement. We wholeheartedly take this opportunity to make your morning extra bright and full of delight. How different is this morning? You will yourself discover as the colors of this event unfolds and enlighten us all together.
Now please stand up and take your positions. Put your right hand on the left shoulder and get ready for the pledge. O God, I offer you my studies, thoughts, words, and actions of this day. Enlighten my mind, strengthen my memory, and guide me to do what's right. Amen.
As we prepare to immerse ourselves in the divine essence of Krishna, let us offer our heart and soul in reverence with the sacred Krishna Vandana. Now Samaira is coming for a Krishna Vandana.
Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Devaki Nandan तुमको वंदन रखते सबकी लाज, सबके स्वामी अंतर्यामी पूरन कीजिए काज। देवकी नंदन तुमको वंदन रखते सबकी लाज, सबके स्वामी अंतर्यामी पूरन कीजिए काज। मन मंदिर में सजे बिहारी, मनमोहन तेरी छवि प्यारी। मन मंदिर में सजे बिहारी, मनमोहन तेरी छवि अति प्यारी। बंसी बजैया रास रचैया, तारनहार मेरे तुम ही केवैया। तुमसे बड़ा कहाँ कौन कन्हैया। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे, हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे, हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा।
Before we dive into today's wisdom, let's take a moment to reflect and embrace the inspiring thought of the day.
Nations thrive when unity becomes identity, diversity our strength, and progress our common goal. I repeat my thought, nations thrive when unity becomes identity, diversity our strength, and progress our common goals. Thank you.
Before we dwell into the heart of our nation's history, let's embark on a journey of remembrance and reflection with this poignant skit on national movement. The non-cooperation movement, a pivotal movement in India's struggle for independence. This movement was led by Mahatma Gandhi, aimed to resist British rule in India through non-violent means. So now let us take you back to year 1920.
Brothers and sisters, the time has come for us to stand united against the British rule. We will not cooperate with them. We will boycott their goods, schools and courts. Our weapon is non-violence.
But Gandhiji, how can we fight without weapons?
Our strength lies in our unity and our refusal to support injustice. By not cooperating, we will show the British that their rule over us cannot continue. We will spin our own clothes, run our own schools, and govern ourselves.
The British reaction. The British officer approaches looking stern and authoritative.
What is this nonsense I hear about non-cooperation? You will obey British laws and follow our rules.
We will not buy British goods anymore. We will make our own khadi.
You will face some consequences for this disobedience. You must understand that the British Empire will not tolerate rebellion.
This is not rebellion, officer. This is a peaceful protest. We seek peace and freedom through non-violence.
The non-cooperation movement spread like wildfire. Indians stopped buying British goods, student-led government schools and lawyers gave up with their practices. The British economy now began to feel the strain.
Look at all this khadi we have spun. Yes, we are set to land now.
And our children are learning about our own culture and history. We are reclaiming our identity.
This is the power of non-cooperation. By refusing to support the British, we are weakening their hold on us.
The British officer returns, now looking worried and resigned.
I see now that the movement has grown too powerful. The British government is feeling the pressure. Perhaps we have underestimated the power of our non-violent resistance.
Our fight is not against individuals, officer, but against the system of oppression. We seek freedom and peace for all.
The non-cooperation movement marked a significant step towards India's struggle for independence. Though it faced challenges and eventually suspended, it showed all the world the strength of non-violent resistance and unity.
A village in India, 1930. The year is 1930. India is under British rule, but the winds of change are blowing. Mahatma Gandhi has launched civil disobedience movement, urging Indians to refuse follow unjust laws. We find ourselves in a small village where the seeds of revolution are being sown.
My dear friends, the British has imposed a tax on this humble soil, a necessity of life. This is their symbol of oppression. We must defy their unjust law.
The British officer steps forward, now looking stern.
These reports are troubling. Gandhi's Salt March has ignited a wave of civil disobedience across the country. People are boycotting British goods and refusing to pay taxes.
Sir, the movement is gaining big attention. Even the foreign press is covering it.
This rebellion must be crushed. Arrest Gandhi and his followers. We cannot allow this defiance to continue.
Villagers are inspired by Gandhi words and decided to join the Salt March. The news of the refinance spread like a wildfire.
Friends, it is the time we can no longer stand the oppression and exploitation of our people. The British must leave India. We must give them a clear message. Quit India.
Gandhiji, we are with you. The people are ready. The struggle will be hard, but we shall overcome.
Our spirits are high, Babu. The women of India are ready to stand shoulder to shoulder with the men in this fight for freedom.
We must remain non-violent. No matter the provocation, our strength lies in our peaceful residence.
The British officer returns, now looking stern.
This is outrageous. You are inciting rebellion against the crown. We will not tolerate this. All of you will be arrested if you do not cease this agitation immediately.
We will not be intimidated. Our demand is clear. You must leave India. The time for British rule on our land is over.
You can arrest our leaders, but you cannot imprison the spirit of freedom. The cry of Quit India will echo throughout the nation.
You leave us no choice.
Despite the arrest and brutal crackdown, the spirit of the movement remains the same. The call for the freedom resonates across the land. A large gathering, a large number of people has gathered, and a farmer stepped forward holding a piece of homemade salt.
This salt is a symbol of resistance. We will not bow to unjust laws. We will stand united for our freedom.
The civil disobedience movement continued to grow, becoming a cornerstone of India's struggle for independence. The bravery and sacrifices of countless Indians eventually led to the dawn of a new era.
So now let us take you again back to year 1942, the time when India was on its brink of significant change. The Quit India movement, led by Mahatma Gandhi and the Indian National Congress, was a crucial step towards India's struggle for independence.
We are prepared for this. Our imprisonment will only strengthen resolve of our people. The world will see the injustice of your rule.
And so many leaders were arrested, but the moment they ignited spread like wildfire. The people of India, inspired by the call for Quit India, rallied together demanding for their freedom. The struggle was long and arduous, but ultimately the British had to leave.
The dawn of independence 1947, after a decade of relentless struggle, sacrifice and unity, India awoke to a new dawn on August 15, 1947. The stage brightness, the Indian tricolor is raised, and Gandhi, Nehru, Bhagat Singh and Sarojini Naidu stands together with the common people.
Today, we celebrate our hard-won freedom. Let us build a nation of peace, unity, and justice.
Long live free India, may our unity be our strength.
Jai Hind. This is the story of India's struggle for independence, a testament to courage and unity of its people. Let us remember and honor the sacrifices that brought us to the freedom.
Now, let's enhance our knowledge on topic national movement through a group discussion.
Introduction 1870 to 1885. The period of the late 19th century in India was marked by significant socio-economic changes under British rule, leading to a growing sense of nationalism among Indians.
Formation of Indian National Congress in 1885. Foundation of Indian National Congress in 1885 marked the beginning of political activity against British rule.
Earlier nationalists 1885 to 1905. Earlier nationalist leaders like Dadabhai Naoroji and Gopal Krishna Gokhale advocated for greater Indian participation in governance and social reforms.
Partition of Bengal and Swadeshi movement 1905 to 1911. The British decision to partition Bengal in 1905 sparked widespread protest and led to the emergence of the Swadeshi movement, promoting Indian-made goods.
Era of extremist and moderate 1905 to 1919. This period saw a shift towards more radical approaches under leaders like Bal Gangadhar Tilak, who emphasized self-rule and cultural pride.
Gandhi leadership 1919 to 1930. Mahatma Gandhi's entry into the national movement brought a new wave of non-violent resistance and mass mobilization.
Jallianwala Bagh Massacre. The brutal massacre in 1919 galvanized the Indian populace against British rule. The tragic event where the Britishers' troops opened fire on a peaceful gathering marked a turning point in India's struggle for independence and fueled the nationalist movement.
Simon Commission, the group of 7 members of the British Parliament under the chairmanship of Sir John Simon. The commission arrived in the Indian subcontinent in 1928 to study constitutional reform, Britain's largest and most important possession.
The non-cooperative movement 1920 to 1922. The non-cooperative movement aimed to boycott British goods and institutions, highlighting the power of non-violent protest.
Civil disobedience movement 1930 to 1934. The civil disobedience movement, particularly the Salt March, showcased Gandhi's strategy of non-violent resistance against oppressive British law.
Individual Satyagraha and Quit India movement in 1940 to 1942. Individual Satyagraha were launched to protest against British involvement in World War II, culminating the Quit India movement in 1942.
Subhash Chandra Bose and the INA. Subhash Chandra Bose's leadership of Indian National Army and his slogan, "Give me blood and I shall give you freedom," inspired many to fight for independence.
Post-war developments 1945 to 1947. The end of World War II weakened the British Empire, leading to mounting pressure for Indian independence, eventually culminating in freedom 1947.
Role of women and students. Women played a crucial role in the national movement with leaders like Sarojini Naidu and Annie Besant leading from the front. The students of India actively participated in struggle, freedom, organizing rallies and protests.
Role of workers and depressed classes. The workers formed the backbones of many movements highlighting the agrarian and labor issues under the British rule. The depressed classes also contributed to national movement seeking to social justice and equality.
Impacts and challenges of national movement. The national movement had profound impacts on Indian society, leading to greater awareness, unity, sense of pride and Indian culture. National movement had faced challenges such as British repression, internal division and vastness of the country.
Education and reform. Establishment of a large number of permanent national education institutes also felt the need of spreading education among women. As precondition national emancipation, it increased the percentage of literacy among women.
In conclusion, the national movement from 1870 to 1947 was a transformative period in Indian history, leading to the eventual independence of the country and shaping its future trajectory. The legacy of the national movement lie in the values of democracy, secularism and social justice that form the foundation of modern India. Thank you.
आज भी सुनाई देती है वह ध्वनि, वह आवाज जिसमें बसी है लड़ाई की और स्वतंत्रता की राह। प्रस्तुत है हिंदी कविता।
स्वतंत्रता का सफर, राष्ट्र की शान, लड़ाई की कहानी, हर दिल की जुबान।
छोटे कदमों से शुरू, बड़े सपनों की धार, जागृति की प्रेरणा, हो गई जमीन अब तैयार।
विद्रोह की आग ने जला दिए गुलामी के बंधन, उम्मीद की किरण लेकर आई आजादी, हर पल हर क्षण।
गांधी की साक्षरता, आंदोलन की भावना, हिम्मत की दास्तान, स्वतंत्र भारत का सपना।
भगत सिंह की आवाज, हर दिल की शान, हर कदम पर लिखा अपने देश का गान।
संगठन की शक्ति, समर्थन का सारा, स्वतंत्रता की दिशा, आजादी का नारा।
स्वतंत्रता का सफर, राष्ट्र की शान, लड़ाई की कहानी, हर दिल की जुबान। जय हिंद।
Dance is a poem of which each dance movement is a word. So now, without further delay, it's time for the classical dance performance.
भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तान हमारा है। भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तान हमारा है। सदियों से भारत भूमि दुनिया की शान है, भारत माँ की रक्षा में जीवन कुर्बान है। भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तान हमारा है।
a captivating instrumental performance that promises to enchant and inspire. So now Suhani is coming for instrumental performance. Here's a unique way of expressing our thoughts and feelings. Today, let's take a moment to appreciate the beauty of words and imagination as we listen to this wonderful poem.
Nations taught to break the chain. With the hearts ablaze and spirits high, they dare to reach for freedom's sky.
From Jallianwala Bag's tragic cries to the Salt March under scorching skies, every step, every cry, every tear shed fueled the fire as they bravely led.
Face of tyranny, they stood strong. Injustice challenged, righted wrong. With unity as their guiding star, they marched ahead near and far.
Leaders rose, inspiring the land with the visions of a free India hand in hand. Through struggles vast, they forgot ahead. In the annals of time, their legacy spread. The national movement story told of sacrifices made, of hearts bold. For the dream of freedom, they fought the fight and paved the way in history's light.
ये आसमां छिन गया तो क्या नया ढूंढ लेंगे, हम वे परिंदे नहीं जो उड़ना छोड़ देंगे। एक रास्ता मिला नहीं तो क्या नई राहें ढूंढ लेंगे, हम वे मुसाफिर नहीं जो चलना छोड़ देंगे। प्रस्तुत है आपके समक्ष हिंदी गीत। टूटा टूटा एक परिंदा ऐसे टूटा कि फिर जुड़ ना पाया, हो लूटा लूटा किसने उसको ऐसे लूटा कि फिर जुड़ ना पाया। टूटा टूटा एक परिंदा ऐसे टूटा कि फिर जुड़ ना पाया, हो टूटा टूटा एक परिंदा ऐसे टूटा कि फिर जुड़ ना पाया, हो
टुकड़े टुकड़े हो गया था, टुकड़े टुकड़े हो गया था। बिखरे टुकड़ों में अल्लाह के मर्ज़ी का मंज़िल पाएगा। अल्लाह के बंदे हंसते, अल्लाह के बंदे, अल्लाह के बंदे हंसते, जो भी हो कल फिर आएगा। हो के अपने परी को, तुमको अपने साथ मिले, हर दम तेरे काम आएगा। अल्लाह के बंदे हंसते, अल्लाह के बंदे, अल्लाह के बंदे हंसते, जो भी हो कल फिर आएगा, जो भी हो कल फिर आएगा, जो भी हो कल फिर आएगा।
Music gives a soul to the universe, waves to the heart, flight to the imagination, and life to everything. Now, with this quote, hold your breath for the English song performance, as Sutiksha of our class is going to draw the strings of our hearts and add her soothing voice to cherish our soul by chanting a beautiful song named Let Me Down Slowly. This night is calling the kingdom. I can feel you fade away. From the kitchen to the bathroom sink, and your steps keep me away. Don't cut me down, throw me out, leave me here to wait. I once was a man, great dignity and grace. Now I'm slipping through the cracks of your conveys. So would you forever let me down slowly? I need a sympathy, I hope you can show me. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. Let me down, let me down, down, let me down, let me down. Cause things that seem sharp, I'm knocking down the corridor. And I know I haven't talking in a while, so I'm looking for an open door. Don't cut me down, throw me out, leave me here to wait. I once was a man, great dignity and grace. Now I'm slipping through the cracks of your conveys. So would you forever let me down slowly? I need a sympathy, I hope you can show me. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. Let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down.
Suppressing our mind makes us confident and builds negativity. So now, students of class 8W are coming over the stage for a group dance performance.
आज बैसाखी का दिन है। हम यहाँ किसी किस्म का पोजीशन लोड
दिल का था हमने सवारा, अपनी वो माटी और घर बारा, लुट रहा ये चमन अपना वतन, आंखों से अपनी लुट रहा ये चमन अपना वतन, आंखों से अपनी संकल्प बोल के हम तो निकल पड़े।